this question: how would the outstanding balance, which is the book value of a bond payable, be affected by the amortization of each of the following? Simply put, it's asking about this bond amortization schedule. So you could ask you, if you understand bond amortization schedule and the journal entries, then you understand bonds. So how would the outstanding bond payable be affected by the amortization of each of the following? What happened to the premium? So if you have a premium bond, what happened to the bond balance? Okay, well, let's take a look at this. This is a premium bond. What's happening to the outstanding balance? It's going down. Well, knowing this, the only answer is D, because that's the only place where it's decreasing. And what happened to the bond? If it's a discount bond, if it's a discount bond, the bond actually will start, like if it's a discount bond, will start at 195 and it will keep on going up to 200,000. So the discount bond will start at below the face value. It will go up to the face value. It will increase to the face value. A premium bond will start above and will go down. Therefore, the answer is D. Actually,
want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.